Can I take my weight loss injection a day early? Taking your weight loss injection a day early is generally not recommended without guidance, though a small change is unlikely to cause serious problems. Speak with your healthcare professional before adjusting your schedule. If you're wondering whether you can take your weight loss injection a day early, you're not alone. It's a common question, and the answer matters more than you might think. Medications like Wegovy and Mounjaro are designed with very specific dosing schedules for good reason. These aren't arbitrary recommendations. They're based on how the medication works in your body and what clinical trials have shown to be both safe and effective. Now, let's quickly clarify what we're talking about. Wegovy contains semaglutide, which is a GLP-1 receptor agonist. Mounjaro contains tirzepatide, which is actually a dual GIP and GLP-1 receptor agonist, so it works on two hormone pathways rather than one. Both are weekly injections, but they have slightly different mechanisms. Let's talk about why timing matters. These weekly injections are formulated to maintain steady levels in your bloodstream over 7 days. After you inject, the medication reaches peak levels in about 1 to 2 days, then gradually declines. This controlled pattern is what gives you consistent appetite suppression and metabolic effects throughout the week. When you stick to the same day each week, you're helping your body maintain those predictable drug levels. So, what actually happens if you take your injection a day early? Evidence indicates that a small timing change is unlikely to cause serious problems. However, taking a dose too early may slightly increase your risk of side effects. We're talking about things like nausea, vomiting, abdominal discomfort, diarrhea, or constipation. These are the most common side effects people experience with these medications. The good news is that this timing shift is unlikely to affect the overall effectiveness of your treatment, but that doesn't mean it's something to do routinely. Here's something important to mention. If you're also taking insulin or certain diabetes medications called sulfonylureas, there's a higher risk of low blood sugar when using these weight loss injections. If that applies to you, it's even more crucial to speak with your doctor before making any timing changes. Consistency really is key with these medications. It helps maintain those steady levels we talked about and reduces your chance of experiencing side effects. Think of it like building a rhythm with your body. When you disrupt that rhythm, even slightly, there can be consequences. Now, life happens. There are absolutely situations where you might need to adjust your injection day. Perhaps you're traveling, you have a medical procedure scheduled, or there's another unavoidable conflict. These are valid reasons to consider a timing change, but here's the crucial bit. Don't make that decision on your own. If you need to adjust your schedule, speak to your healthcare professional first. They can advise on the safest way to shift your injection day based on your specific medication and circumstances. They understand the pharmacology and can help you make the change without compromising your treatment or increasing your risk of side effects. This brings us to an important safety point. Never stop or alter your treatment schedule without medical advice, even if your routine changes. What might seem like a minor adjustment to you could have implications for how the medication works in your system. Your prescriber has access to the specific product information for your medication and can give you personalized guidance. And don't forget to read your patient information leaflet. It contains important details about your specific treatment. If you do experience side effects after any timing change, or if you're concerned about how you're responding to your medication, contact your doctor or pharmacist. They need to know what's happening so they can support you properly. Let's recap the key points. These injections are designed to be taken on a consistent weekly schedule to maintain steady drug levels. Taking your injection a day early isn't recommended without guidance, though a small change is unlikely to cause serious harm. And if you need to adjust your schedule for any reason, always consult your healthcare professional first. They're there to help you navigate these situations safely. Remember, this information is educational and shouldn't replace personalized medical advice. Your treatment plan is specific to you, so always discuss any questions or concerns with your doctor or prescribing clinician. If you have urgent concerns, contact NHS 111 or call 999 in an emergency. Have you had questions about managing your injection schedule? Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, Give us a like and subscribe for more evidence-based health information from Bolt Pharmacy.